During routine operations at Mumbai port, a bulk carrier's deck, crane number 2, exhibited signs of abnormal performance. Shipsmith's inspection revealed damage to the hoisting sheave bearing and an enlarged sheave bore, leading to looseness of the fit. For a vessel engaged in heavy bulk cargo handling, this posed a serious risk. Immediate rectification was essential to avoid operational delays and ensure crew safety. Shipsmith's team quickly devised a safe and efficient repair plan in collaboration with the ship's staff. The crane boom was secured at critical points, a temporary platform was erected for safe access, and lifting stands were inspected for use in the sheave removal operation. Next day, the hoisting wire was removed and the sheave dismantled. Inspection confirmed severe bearing damage and enlargement of the bore, both contributing to looseness and reduced reliability. Shipsmith engineers replaced the damaged bearing, renewed the grease lubrication system, and ensured all shaft components were within tolerance. To restore a secure fit, the sheave was reconditioned with copper shims and adhesive bonding. It was then reinstalled with stainless steel fasteners, ensuring durability and reliability. Once the sheave was secured, the hoisting wire was remounted, and extensive trials confirmed smooth crane operation. The worksite was cleared. At Mumbai port, Shipsmith delivered safe, precise, and timely execution of a critical crane repair. The bulk carrier resumed operations without delay, reaffirming Shipsmith's commitment to keeping vessels on schedule and crews safe.